In this tutorial, you will learn to access device information, location, accessing webcam, microphone, and many other things by just sending a URL or a link. Hello everyone, this is Irfan from ehacking.net. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Anyway, let's get started. Stormbreaker is a utility that we will discuss in this tutorial. What it does, well, if you go down, you can see a lot of things. Perfect. So it grabs device information and location without any permission. It can access mobile or even desktop or laptop webcam and microphone as well. Exciting utility. Now let's configure it. Rule of thumb, clone it using the git clone command. So open a terminal. Let me zoom so that you can see properly. All right, and there you can see what I will do now. I have to just clone it. So go there, copy, open a terminal again, type git clone, sorry, and enter. It will take some time, it will download. Okay, so once you're done, you need to get into the directory. For example, let me check. So this is Stormbreaker. All right, so cd Stormbreaker, perfect. Now there you can see the installer, which is a bash script. So since I'm logged in as root, I'm not using the sudo command. However, if you are not logged in as root, you should use the sudo command. So bash, and one more thing, I need to see the name, linux-installer, perfect. So type bash linux installer.sh, install it. Okay, it's done. After installation, you need to check all the requirements. In order to do this, you should execute the Python script to run to check this requirement. So the Python, you should not be worried about all the commands. You will get all the commands in the description of this video. So don't worry about looking here and typing. I will just paste all the command there. All right, perfect. And let's check the requirements. Oops, spell issue. It's requirements without e. Now let's see. Already satisfied, is working, perfect, done. So let me just clear it. All things done, we have successfully installed and configured the utility. A few things to understand. This excellent utility generates a ngrok URL. Hence, you can access the target outside your LAN environment. This means you can access anyone, considering they are connected to the internet. This program is very easy to use. I will demonstrate few things. The rest you can do on your own. Now let's find out what it can do. So it's Python 3 and just execute this script. And again, if you are not logged in as root, you should use the sudo, otherwise it will not work. So even I'm using the sudo as well. So there you can see that, yeah, perfect. So these things can be done. Now let's find out the device location. So for this, I need to execute number 4, enter number 4. There are two templates. Near you is very interesting. When a user opens the URL, it displays a page that says find people around you. Upon continue, the target's device location capture and send back to the attacker. Now let's see the first option, near you. I'm testing it on my Android phone. What you need to do is to just copy this particular URL and send it to your target. And once your target opens this URL, the connection establishes to your local host or local machine on this particular port. You don't need to do anything else. Just copy this URL and send it to your target. So let me send it to my Android phone and let's see what will happen. Wow, so there you can see that it has captured some information. It means that the target has opened this particular URL. What I did, I simply sent this URL via WhatsApp to the target, and now the shell is waiting for the interaction, the user interaction, and upon clicking on the continue, it will automatically captures the device information. So let's just do this. I'm clicking on the continue now. Wow, Wow, so there you can see the exact location with Google Map. This is interesting, very, very interesting. Now let's move further and discuss the second option, that was the weather option. So the second option, the it's called the weather option, is also very exciting. It displays a random location that excites users to click on the change my location button. Upon clicking, it asks for permission. Hence, it gathers the actual location. Anyway, so the working structure is similar. Now let's move further and see the webcam option as well. So let's access the webcam. Number one, perfect. It presents three templates. The default is handy to capture desktop or laptop webcam. However, for mobile, use the second option. Rather than sending this ngrok URL, I suggest using any link shortener such as bit.ly to shorten this particular URL. And for a more sophisticated attack, buy a domain, host a genuine website, and either use redirector or DNS to land users on this URL. A lot of things can be done. You should use your social engineering and technical skills as well. Now let's quickly see this webcam feature on a mobile device rather than testing it on the desktop. I've tested it on a desktop as well. It's working perfectly, but now I'm demonstrating this second option, the mobile camera. Let's select number two. As discussed earlier, you just need to copy this particular URL and send it to your target. And once your target opens this URL, it opens on a browser, on a web browser, and it gives you the access to the particular webcam. Now let's see this. So I've sent this particular URL on a mobile. Now I'm opening it. Wow, perfect. So we are getting images now, and the images, it automatically plays all the images, all the captured images in the images directory or folder, which is inside this particular tool. So there you can see that it captures the images in after a certain interval or after a certain period of time. So it captures a lot of information as long as the session is established. So in order to check the images, what you can do, you can just simply go to this particular directory and cross check it. For example, let me do this. So cd stormbreaker, and there if you see, open in the webcam directory if you see, and let's get into the images. And there you can see that it has captured all these images, and it is continuously capturing the images. So there you can see that it has captured 1 2 3 4 5 6 images so far, and still capturing the images. And there you can see the 2 4 and 5 and 6 images as well. Well, perfect. So yep, one more image captured. So if I just cross check again, so there you can see that the image count increasing. I'm not opening it, although I can open it. You can just go to the directory and you can open it. You can see the images as well, and it is continuously capturing the images. So let me just stop it at the moment. The purpose has been served. We have discussed it. So I have demonstrated few things. You can grab Windows password, access microphone, etc, etc. Anyway, that is it. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.